Hello all. Today we are going to see a module called as RE in Python. So what is this module is regular expression module. So for using this regular expression module in Python, we are going to import RE, and as we all know, RE is for regular expression, which is commonly used to search some pattern and find it and to get the pattern which is matching the series or something like that. Okay, so this regular expression is very useful in data mining and data processing. And yeah, so I have imported RE and I am having a sample text which has many things together so that it will be useful for us to do our own program. Now in our regular expression module, we have a built-in method called as compile, which will compile a pattern and make it inside a variable. So I will write pattern is equal to re.compile, and whatever I'm going to write here will be our compilation pattern. So every time it will be a raw string. Within the double quotes we can have all the things available for our compilation. So let it be like this, and then this pattern we will be passing this pattern into some other function so that it is used for us to find the matches. Maybe I will write x is equal to re dot find iter is a function which we are going to use so that the pattern which we are finding will be of an iterating variable. That is, like, if there are more things we can find, then all the things will be in an iterative format and we can easily use that in our program. So find iter, what will be my first parameter is the pattern which we are doing, and the second parameter will be from where you're going to find this pattern, that is the text to search. Yeah, so now it is ready. Now we can try to iterate our x parameter. So for I in x, what I am going to do for I in x, I am going to print my I. Yes, so this is how it is working. So now let us compile. Maybe we can try to search Pythonista. If you can see, Pythonista is available in our text to search pattern, and let me run and see here. Yes, it is showing me that the pattern is available from this particular span of numbers, and the match is the same Pythonista. So this is how we can find a particular thing from a searching element or searching data. And now I think it is very clear for you. And if you don't know what you're going to search, there are many other things also available to form the pattern of searching. Let us see those things one by one. So a dot will make you think that any character except a new line. If you want to search any character except a new line, you can make use of a dot. Now I'll just try to write the dot and run and see. So all the characters in this particular string is now displayed except new line. All the things will be displayed here, even the brackets, all the things. Yeah. So this is how this dot works. Now if I want to find something, like I don't know the first letter of that thing and the second letter is going to be R. So if I write M like a dot and R, and let us run and see. Can you see? Whatever are the words which is suffixed with R is getting displayed over here. Yeah, so this is how we can use this pattern, friends. Now I have placed this dot because only one character, one character I missed out. So I just wanted to know that. So we are making like this. Now if you want to find a digit, like any digit from 0 to 9, if you want to find, you can use this forward slash with D. I am using forward slash D, and let us run and see. This will display all the digits which are available, and capital letter D signifies not a digit, just the opposite. Yeah, if you can see, all the things except digits are available over here. So if you want to found a pattern, like here I want to maybe display all these set of numbers. So all these set of numbers have a pattern like first three are the digit, next a not a digit, next three digits, next not digits, next four digits. So let us form this particular pattern here. Maybe a /d digit, 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 then not a digit, 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 then sorry, then not a digit, then a digit, a digit, a digit, a digit. So this is a pattern for those numbers. Let us run and see. Yeah, it has displayed all those numbers because first 3 digit, then not a digit, then 3 digit, then not a digit, then 3 digit. Yeah, so this is how we can use this pattern. Next comes the word character. Word character includes A to Z, small letter, capital letter, and 0 to 9 also, and then the underscore also. Not a word character will include all the things except these things. So if you want to print the word character, here if you can see this digit is also a word character because it also has the 0 to 9. So if I want to print something like maybe we can try to print these Mr. and Mrs. alone. So we need to have a word character and a word character and not a word character. So let us check what are the things available in this pattern. So if you can see Mr. has come, so many things have come here. So these are all in this particular format of what we searched. A word character and then not a word character. Not a word character includes new lines, tabs, spaces, hyphens, all the special characters, everything if you can see. So this is how we can make a pattern, friends. And white spaces are for yes, not white spaces is for capital letter S. And if you want to match characters, then you can put them inside the square brackets. And if you want to match something which is except that characters, you can put it with the help of the caret symbol. So here, if I am writing inside the square brackets, Mr. If I want to match this Mr. alone, let us run and see. So M or, all the things of MR will be displayed over here. It will make it as an OR symbol only. Let us make it like this and check. No, it is showing error. So whatever character you want to match, you can write it like this. MRS. So M, R and S, whatever is displayed with M, R, S will be displayed here. Now if I want to, we can also use a range of numbers here. Like if I want to display from 1 to 9, then I can just use this hyphen symbol for specifying the range. So this will specify all the numbers from 1 to 9. If I want to search something from A to Z, then let me run and see. It will have all my small letter characters here. Okay, so the square brackets are used like this. If I am just prefixing with the caret symbol, then all the things except capital small letter A to Z will be printed over here. Yeah, so this is how this square bracket works and not square bracket. And yeah, coming to a quantifier, here the quantifiers star is used for 0 or more characters and plus is used for 1 or more characters. So let us use this example and see. So I have first I will start with a digit and then I'll just put a star. So let us run this program. So here if you can see, it is matching 0 or more characters, which is 0 is if there is no digit also it will have a match. If there is 1 or more digits also it will have a match. If you can see 1 or more digits also are coming. If I will put a plus symbol here, zeros will be eliminated. Only 1 or more will be displayed over here. If you can see there is no 0, there is no empty matches. If there is a digit or 1 or more digit, you can use this particular thing. And if I plug a question mark here, where is the question mark? Yeah. If I put a question mark here, it is only 0 and 1. Only empty things, or if it has only one digit, then it will display. See, 1 digits will be displayed. So star is for 0 or more, plus is for 1 or more, and the question mark is for 1 and 0 alone. I think it is easy for you to understand. If you want to display the exact number, you can use the curly brackets. Yeah, now I will use the curly brackets. If I want to search for an exact one, I will use curly brackets and let us run and see. Oops, it has shown an error. Inside curly brackets, I need to find my 1. Okay, let us check this curly brackets afterwards. So this is how this compile and find iter works. It will find the iteration for all the things and show you. Now let us see all the other functions available in our RE. So as you all know, we can just try to print RE directory. So dir of RE, this will print all the things available inside your RE. So let us just comment all these things which we tried till now. And let us run and see. If you can see, all the things have come here. So compile, we went through it. And now again, so find iter also we found it. So now we can see what is find all method and search method, split method. Okay, we can see all these methods one by one. Okay, so now what we can do, we can see what is this find all method. So what I am going to do, I will write a string, maybe s is equal to hi, how are you? So this is my short string. Now I will write x is equal to re dot find all. What are the things I need to find? My pattern is the first parameter which I want to write. Always pattern can be similar to whatever you wrote in your re.compile also. So maybe I am searching for my hi, and from where I need to search? From S I need to search. Now let me just try to print this X and check. So if you can see, when you wrote find iter, it showed you the position, the things and all. But if you write find all the hi will be displayed in form of the tuple. That's the main difference. Now if I want to find the h alone, so there are two h available, so two things are displayed in this list. Now if I want to write, instead of find all, I wrote search of this h. Now let me run and see. So it is saying H is available in this particular span. So whenever you want to find with the help of span and all, it is always better to use find iter, or this search will make you clear about where it is actually found. If you just want to check whether it is available, then you can use that find all or find method. I will also use find method for you and see. Okay, sorry, find all method. Again, I am showing to you so that you will be clearly understanding it. So it is finding all the h available in that yes string. So I hope that it is very clear with all the things which you are doing. And we can also have another method called as sub. Sub will nothing but it will substitute the h with the other thing. Like here h is the pattern, from where I need I have written, and what should I substitute with also I should write. Maybe I will substitute it with yes, and here I will write my s is the pattern. Okay, any string match the string, then yeah, so let us run and see. Can you see all the h is substituted with yes here? So this is how this sub works. And if you want to specify explicitly that I want to substitute only one character, I can use count is equal to 1, which will make my only one character, the first occurring character alone, to be substituted. Can you see? Only the first S is substituted. The next H is not substituted, it is still the same. So this is how, these are all the methods and these are all the ways we can try to do all our programmings. And that's it for today, guys. This is Shravanti signing off from you. Bye bye.